My students, and welcome to our recording. Okay, it's my recording. I had a look at the assignment and I said, hey, this assignment is due on the 8th of May. This is the second assignment. And you have to cover lessons 17 to 23, and the contribution of the weighting to the year mark is 35%. So I said, listen, I have to help you. Plus, there's no extension. Oh, sorry, there's an extension until the 8th of May. So let's look at this question out here. I did help you all with the question 1B. If you look at the Zoom recording, the one on YouTube, I'll post that link as well. But let me see if I could assist you with the question 1B. They say state what the output, if any, results from each of the following statements by first working it out on paper and then including it in a program. Submit a completed table as below. All right, so what I'd like you to do is now to open up code blocks. Let's open up code blocks. And I'm going to show you how ma'am got the output for 1B example A. So let's open up code blocks, and I'm going to copy and paste this program inside code blocks. Let's go back to my example. So what you do is, while it's busy opening up code blocks, I'm going to block the text, and I'm going to say Control-C, open up my code blocks, create a new project, go to console application, C++, give it a nice name, A02Q1B A. All right, next, finish. Let's open up main.cpp. Let's just run it to see everything works. Build and run. Hello world. Oh, I'm so happy. Let's go and put that in. Control V. Right, we don't need hello world anymore. Right, so you need to work this out on paper, and I'm going to work this out on code blocks. Right, so let's build it. And building. Right, let's build and run. Right, so that's what happens. It gives you 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, let's look at the output. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Excellent. That's exactly what we got, right? So let's talk about the for loop. The for loop has a beginning. There's I is equal to 0. It starts at 0, and it's a counter variable. That's why it's declared to be an integer. I is less than 100. This means it stops at, sorry, I is less than 10. I stops at 1 less than 10, actually. It goes to 9. And this is the counter, increments it by 1. I plus plus. So it says I is equal to I plus 1. And this simply displays I. Now, if I wanted to be finicky, I could have put this in a curly bracket, right? But because it's only one statement, I don't need those curly brackets. Now, if I had to include an equal to sign out here, that would mean it goes to 10. Let's do a build and run. So it's going to display 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's build and run this one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So I would like you to try question 1, B, C, D, and E, similar to the way I've done it, right? You can use use the compiler, try it out, copy and paste, and run it. I don't give out any answers, okay? So that will help you with question 1B. Redraw the table and submit the complete table. Now, I tend to use Excel. I'm not sure if you like that. You can do it like this. You can open up Excel. And let's keep Excel open up on the side here. And here's my table. All right, let's put it back to less than 10, so it stops at 9. And so you can have line number in your table. Line number, and we're going to have I as a variable, and then we're going to determine whether I is less than 10, and then we're going to say output, right? You could have output out there. So in line number 7, what happens in line number 7? I is equal to 0, right? And then it says, is I less than 10? True, right? No output takes place. Let's go to line number 8. Nothing takes place in line number 8. Let's go to line number 9. There's the output out there, it gives me a 0. Let's go now to line number 10. Line number 10 says go back to line number 7. So I could include that, or I could just go back to line number 7. In line number 7, I also became I++ out there, so it was 2. And then it says, is 1. Is 1 less than 10? That's also true, right? Or I can just put on T for true, right? And it goes to line number 9. In line number 9, that's still 1. It's still true. And the output is 1. And it goes on like this, right? So I can say 7, 9, and it's going to be 1, and then 2, somewhere it'll be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And when it comes to I equals to 10, it's going to say it's false, and it's going to stop there, right? So your output is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I hope this helps you to get to answering question 1B and 1C. All right, so maybe you can make it look pretty, and you can put some lines in there. And our borders, right? I hope you like it. I'll help you with the other questions as well.